Welcome to this online class, and as I do daily the same thing I am going to do, meaning thereby these root words are being carried on, and I will carry it for a few days only, because I hope that these all will help you, will benefit you in knowing these all the words. Before I am starting, I want to pay thanks, usually I do, to those all who have been appreciating me, commenting better, like Rahul Chandravanshi, Kundar Kumar, Rohit Anand, Anmol Pathak, Aditya Mishra, Sanjay Kumar, Niranjan Kumar, Brajesh Kumar Jha, Sweta Chaube, Santosh Kumar, Biswajit Singh, and many friends. Now we should come to the board. Yesterday, as I told you, that this is theo, Latin origin, theos, meaning God. Meaning is theology. Logy, that is study of God. Theocracy. Cracy means rule. Rule of the priests. And apotheosis means glorification. That is the highest point of someone's life. Particularly this is used for those who are the priests. I mean pantheon, a house of priests, a house of worship. So these common words still may not be known to you, but you can come to know easily with the help of this root word theo. Now 53 tract of Latin origin, treho or tractum, means drag or draw, drag or pull, like the word is known to you, tractor, traction, attract, contract, subtract, extract, many such words. So many. 54. Vein or vent. Of the same origin, Latin origin. Venio or ventum. Ventum. Come. Come forward or move. Like the word you might have heard, advent. Advent means arrival. At the advent of the Muslims in India, at the advent of the English in India, words are adventure, invention, convene, event, and many such words. So many such words. Were or direct of Latin origin, Venus, meaning true. Verasus, verify. Verification. So you should not confuse veracious or veracious. Veracious is something VO, that is something different. wicked, or wink, of the same Latin word. Wink को victim, win, sometimes also it is used for defeat. Win, for both you see the contrast, like victory. Perhaps someone has been defeated, so someone has won. Victory, convict, convince. Verse, avert. Verto, verses. Of Latin origin. Turn or change. Turn or change. We use advertise, convert, invert. You see here, convert, invert, like inverter that changes the current. Reverse, even we use reverse verses. So reverse. Now vid or vis, of Latin origin. Video, this is of Latin origin the word. Or visum, very simple, means see. In video we do the same, we see. Video, vision, dividend, provident, provide. So vision, television. We may use tele, so television. Verb, V-I-R, verb. Verb actually is used for man or male. This is meaning. Verb means man or male, meaning like where I go. Now, wit or viv, like vivo, the word you might have heard many times. Vita, vita power, meaning life or live. So vivo means life. Like you might have heard the word vital, revital. Vivid, revive, vivacious. revive. So these common words you might have studied earlier. Now see here, he or she walk or he or he, Latin word, vocare or vox, meaning call or voice. Call or voice, rather I should write here, call or voice, like vocal, vocation, provoke, vocal, provoke, evoke, and at last for today, volt or valve. You see this one. Volute also some written. In Latin, volvo, the word you might have heard the word volvo. Volvo engine. Like volutum. Roll or turn, meaning in English, roll or turn. Evolve, involve, involve, revolt, evolve, revolt, and so on. Many such words you'll be getting. So this is all about root words as I have brought to you. I hope you may get some benefit of the all. Next, tomorrow at 10 o'clock, I'll come with some prefixes. And this will go only for 2 classes, and then 1 class will go for suffix. And then I'll finish it all. Then we should be meeting here for offline. For rest, we'll be talking tomorrow. Thank you for watching me.